A very good day to all of you investors in the Astana group. And today I have the 2024 results to announce to you. And I'm very pleased to say that notwithstanding various factors and headwinds and challenges that we faced in 2024, that we are able today to announce some very robust results. So the total revenues of the company in 2024 increased by 12.5% over 2023 to in excess of $1.3 billion. EBITDA, that's a key measurement of course, earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and rentals increased by 16% to in excess of $338 million. And therefore, as you'll be able to calculate, our margin of EBITDA to sales was just shy of 26%, which is also an increase over 2023. In terms of capacity, we grew that by over 9% and passengers carried by just under 11%. So notwithstanding the challenges to which I referred, specifically the problems with the Pratt & Whitney engines that power the A320neo family fleet, we have been able to deliver robust growth, exceeding expectations, and as we look forward to 2025, we see as well a good growth. We have already grown our fleet from 57 aircraft at the end of last year to 60 aircraft as of last week, so that's a major milestone. We will continue to take new aircraft in 2025 and to continue to grow the fleet, the network, the revenue, and of course the financial result. So in recognition of this, I'm pleased to say that we will be paying a dividend at the top end of that stipulated in the IPO documentation. But in addition to paying the dividend at the top end, which was 20% of adjusted profit, I'm also pleased to say that the board of directors have approved a special dividend in light of the strong result, the strong balance sheet and the strong cash position, which means to say that subject to shareholder approval, the board have approved a dividend for the year 2024, including the special dividend, which amounts to a dividend yield of in excess of 7%, which is one of the highest in the industry. In addition to that, the board of directors have approved a revision of the dividend policy from the present limit of 20% of net adjusted profit to allow us to pay in the future up to 50% of net adjusted profit. And that's in recognition of the strong performance of the company and also in recognition of the loyalty that you, our shareholders, have shown towards the company. So let me assure you that we will continue to do all possible to manage and grow a robust, safe, reliable, high-quality airline and at the same time reward our shareholders accordingly. Thank you very much, and I look forward to speaking to you all again soon.